Take a ride in the 2020 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, center armrest, fog lights, compass, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, day-night rear view mirror, perimeter alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.